Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide like on an Instagram post. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to hide likes on your Instagram post, all you got to do is simply go to your Instagram. Once you go to your Instagram, you need to now go for on your own post. Now you need to simply tap on your post and tap on the three dots. There, you can simply find the option called Hide Your Like Count. Now, you can simply tap on it, and now no one can see your likes on that particular Instagram post. If you go back and tap on Unhide this count, then people can again see the likes. So, if you want to do it before posting, you can go to Advanced Settings and toggle on to Hide Like and Share Counts on this post option, and this will allow you to hide like on Instagram again. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.